Hello, welcome back to Adventures in Pop-Ups. This is another episode, and we are in the middle of a series about asking and answering pop-up questions. If you have a question, go ahead and drop it in the comment. We're already starting to hear from people and add to our list of questions to address. Today's question is, how much does a pop-up camper weigh? How much does a pop-up camper weigh, Blake?
Right, well, they vary. In just under 1,000 pounds, or if you have a motorcycle, probably a few hundred pounds. But generally speaking, for vehicle towed pop-ups, you're going to be in the ultralights, you're going to be about 1,000 pounds. And then in your high walls, like what we have or have owned previously, they're going to be just over 3,000 pounds, 3,500 pounds, maybe perhaps on the heavier end. If you have a travel trailer, a hybrid trailer, you're gonna be looking at even more, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 pounds. We're not here to talk about hybrids. We're here to talk about pop-up campers, and the pop-up campers are generally, you can tow most of them with a V6, but some of them you're gonna probably want a V8, and you're gonna want to have something with the high walls. You're gonna want to have a truck or a heavier duty SUV. But most of them can be towed with vans.
We do have a tour on our channel of a Quicksilver Living Light. Some friends of ours love it. And
you want to check that out?
Yeah, we'll put it right there. And they do tow it with a Toyota Sienna. So that was
a fun video.
That is a fun video. So that if you're looking on the light end, that is a really good one. We do have dropping on the screen right now. I found a list of all these different campers in order of how much they weigh. So if you're looking for specifics, there you go. We will absolutely put the link in the description to this website because it was a great article. I found it really helpful. And so if you are looking for more information about this topic, definitely check that out.
Yeah, there's some vans that have like a bigger V6, the Ford Freestar. It's got a tow package, a transmission cooler. That would be like the only van that I would feel comfortable towing a high wall with, because it's probably like 4,000 rating, that van. But ours is rated at 3,700. So this thing is 3,100 dry pretty much. And so loaded down, it's going to be at the max. Plus you figure in your brakes. I just like not worrying about it with my truck. I got a good engine, I got a good transmission, bigger brakes. And when we were out in Yellowstone, man, those brakes were working. I don't know if that van could have handled those mountains.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, we did drive down to Florida with our van, pulling a pop-up camper, and I think it did. Those hills in Tennessee definitely worked the brakes. I needed a brake job after that. So just keep that in mind. Go slower, especially down in your hills. Little tip there. But yeah, you're going to be in that range of a few thousand, just under a couple thousand pounds, usually in that 1,800 range.
Now, if you are looking for a vehicle or looking for a pop-up, I see all the time people saying, I want a pop-up, do I need a better vehicle? I would be towing with this, that. Please make sure you don't just look at how much the camper weighs. You have to look at your gross number. The bigger number is what it's going to weigh up to once you already have all your stuff in there. Because you've got to think, you've got passengers in your vehicle, you've got stuff in your camper, not just the camper. So keep that in mind and keep a buffer zone, because I'd hate for you to ruin your transmission, ruin this, ruin that, trying to push it because you really wanted that camper.
Yep. And if you really want that camper, maybe you need to upgrade your tow vehicle too. So keep that in mind and plan accordingly.
Thank you for watching, and stay tuned. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe so you can keep notified of all our different contents. Thank you for watching.
Please and thank you.
Please and thank you. Thank you guys so much. You all are awesome.
Yep.
Happy camping.